Hey guys, this is Shreehari. Welcome to my channel. We all know that what are the different degrees for the sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, and cot. The thing is that we are by heart at these things, and whoever will going to go for the exams definitely will going to just mug up these things and will going to just put the values in the examination. Sometimes we may forget the values, so that we'll get confused what is sine 30 and what is cos 30, something like that. So today we're going to see how to find these angles. If you are getting how to find these angles, definitely you'll never going to forget these things in your entire life. So how to find the first line? Okay, first we're going to find this particular first line. After that we're going to see how remaining columns we can fill over here. So first thing, check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and divide all these digits by a greater digit, that is 4. So 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. So if you are just writing these values, that is 0, here 1 by 4, this is 1 by 2, this is 3 by 4 itself, and this is 1, and make a root for all these values. So root of 0 is 0, root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, root of 1 by 2 is 1 by root 2, and this one is root 3 by 2, and this one is 1. So these entire values are for the sine angles. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. So once we got a sine series or the sine angles, after that finding the cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot is very easy. I'll tell you how. So whatever the sine angles you have wrote, the reverse order is the cos. So what is the reverse order? That is 1, again root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So we know that what is tan. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So 1 divided by 0 divided by 1, that is 0, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. So we'll going to get 1 by root 3, and 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2, that is 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, that is root 3, and 1 by 0 is infinity. So these are up to the tan angles. So what about the cosecant? Cosecant is nothing but 1 by sine. So that is why 1 by 0, that is infinity, 1 by 1 by 2, that is 2, 1 divided by 1 by root 2, that is root 2, this is 2 by root 3, and this is 1 by 1 is 1. So secant is reverse of this, that is 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and infinity. So next is the cot angles, that is cot theta, that is cosecant theta divided by secant theta. So once you're going to get infinity by 1, that is infinity again, 2 divided by 2 by root 3, that is root 3, root 2 by root 2, that is 1, 2 by root 3 divided by 2, that is 1 by root 3, after that 1 by infinity, that is 0. So guys, these are the different values for the sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. So if you are remembering the values like this, definitely you will not going to forget in the examinations, and you can easily formulate these things in the examinations. So this is about the sine angles guys, and in the next videos we're going to see different tricks and tips about the mathematics. Thanks for watching the videos.